In this video I will tell you never search these three things on YouTube. Yes, you will never search these three things on YouTube. So guys, what is this? Why you never search these three things on YouTube? If you want you will live safe in your country, you will never search these three things, because your search engine optimization, which is SEO, it will be gone to your country, army, police, any type of political which check your location, because you also gave him location, your location he locate, he know where you live, what you search, what you save. They know how you work on YouTube and also on Google. Never search these three things on Google and YouTube. So guys, let's get started. I'm Hassan Ali and you are watching Jan Tech Help. So guys, if you are new on our channel, so subscribe and also press the bell icon and hit the like if you like video, and comment below if you want. So guys, let's get started. First thing is, never search on YouTube. It is about weapon. Never search about weapon on YouTube. If you search, you will arrest by police, army. Yes, never search these about weapon. And the next is number two is about disease. Any disease come and you search without permission of doctor and any man who doctor and different men who know about his disease. If you search, your location will be traced by army, police and any other. So guys, next thing is very good. Next thing is crime. Never search about crime, how to kidnap anyone, how to do something about. You also search, never search these things on YouTube about crime. Also on crime, never search about crime, you will arrest by police, army. Yes, never search about crime. This is very critical for you. So guys, if you like video, hit the like and also press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. So let's bye.